we wanted something different. We needed to make more income. Yes. Yep. So we decided to work online, and by month 4, we were able to make
what's wrong, but I can't hear anybody or see
anybody. Incredible to us. It was incredible. I mean, we had we come from a farming background, which Jeff will talk about.
Yeah. It's we were able to move off the farm and choose where we wanted to live, not based on work, but based on where our lives fit. And I am just so grateful for that.
Yeah,
what an amazing opportunity.
Yeah, it's really cool. So we're able to travel now. It's one of our passions. We escaped the Alberta winters, which is wonderful. Jeff and I are both in our early 40s. And because of this business, we've basically been able to retire really early. This is all we do now. We don't have regular jobs. And it's just extremely exciting to know that when we go away, we can come back when we're ready. So it's pretty cool.